How to make a man think of you all the time. Wouldn't it be incredible if you could get him to think about you constantly? Many women secretly fantasize about this. Having a man so captivated by them that he can't go more than a few minutes without having them cross his mind. While that level of obsession might be a bit unrealistic, it's undeniably romantic. The truth is, life is busy. Everyone has responsibilities that demand attention. But what if you could make sure that, no matter how packed his day is, you're still the one on his mind? There are ways to make that happen, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how. By following these 7 steps, not only will you become unforgettable, but you'll also create a deeper emotional connection that keeps you at the center of his thoughts. And don't miss the end of the video, where I'll reveal a key mindset shift that ties everything together. It's a crucial tip that ensures these strategies work to their fullest potential. So let's dive in. Understanding the psychology of missing someone. Before we jump into the steps, let's explore why we miss people in the first place. As humans, we're hardwired to seek connection. We thrive in communities and relationships because we're social beings by nature. But beyond just physical proximity, we crave emotional closeness. That's why we form deep bonds with our family, friends, and romantic partners. When that emotional closeness is disrupted, whether through distance or conflict, we start to feel lonely. And that loneliness makes us realize just how much we miss someone. Missing someone can even feel like physical pain, an ache in your chest or a knot in your stomach. You've probably experienced it before. The absence of someone you care about feels almost unbearable. But here's the secret. You can flip that script. By using the right techniques, you can make a man feel like your absence is unbearable. You can create an emotional impact so powerful that the thought of not being with you is more painful than anything else. So, how do you make this happen? Let's get into the 7 steps to make him miss you. And not just miss you, but crave being with you like never before. 1. Stop initiating contact. This first step might feel counterintuitive, but trust me, it's crucial. Many women are naturally inclined to take control of situations. So when a man pulls back or seems distant, our instinct is often to reach out and fix things. You might text him a funny meme, ask for help with something small, or find an excuse to call him. But here's the deal. If you're always the one initiating contact, you never give him the chance to miss you. He becomes accustomed to you always being available, and that makes your presence feel less valuable. Instead, stop reaching out and give him the space to notice your absence. Use this time to focus on yourself, spend time with friends, take up a new hobby, or plan an activity you've always wanted to try. When he realizes that you're not chasing after him, it will spark his curiosity and make him wonder what you're up to. That curiosity? It's the first step to making him miss you. 2. Become your own best friend. Here's an important truth about attraction. We're naturally drawn to people who are living fulfilling, exciting lives. Nobody fantasizes about a partner who spends all day waiting by the phone for a text. If you want to stay on his mind, you need to show him that your life is full of joy, passion, and adventure, with or without him. Try new activities, explore your interests, and invest in your personal growth. Take that art class you've been eyeing, go on a spontaneous trip with friends, or finally start that side hustle. When he sees you thriving on your own, it sends a powerful message. You're not just an addition to his life. You're a whole world that he wants to be a part of. 3. Add mystery to your life. Let's face it, mystery is magnetic. When you're an open book, it leaves little for someone to wonder about. And when there's no mystery, there's no intrigue. If you want to make him think about you constantly, you need to leave some things to the imagination. Start by cutting back on how much you share on social media. If you usually post every moment of your day, scale it back. Let him wonder what you're doing and who you're with. You don't need to play games or create unnecessary drama, but a little bit of mystery can go a long way. When he doesn't have all the answers, he'll naturally start thinking about you more. 4. Leave a lasting impression. Here's the truth. People don't miss mediocre experiences. They miss the unforgettable ones. If you want him to think about you all the time, you need to make your time together memorable. When you're with him, be fully present. Show up with positive energy, genuine interest, and a sense of fun. Be the kind of person who lights up the room and makes every moment feel special. Whether it's sharing a laugh, having a deep conversation, or simply enjoying each other's company. Focus on creating experiences that he'll replay in his mind long after you've left. 5. Give him space. This one might be hard, but it's necessary. If you're always around, he won't have the chance to miss you. Give him room to breathe and live his life. When he has time to himself, he'll start to realize how much he values your presence. Instead of feeling smothered, he'll feel a longing to be with you. Remember, absence makes the heart grow fonder. 6. Stop obsessing over him. The secret to making him miss you is not to obsess over him. Instead of constantly worrying about when he'll text or call, shift your focus to yourself. Engage in mindfulness practices like journaling, meditation, or even something as simple as coloring. These activities will help you process your emotions in a healthy way, so you're not tempted to reach out to him out of anxiety. When you let go of the need to control the situation, you give him the space to come to you naturally. 7. Be open and receptive. Finally, when he does reach out, be open and welcoming. This doesn't mean you should ignore the past or let him off the hook for bad behavior. But if he's genuinely making an effort, meet him halfway. Men are drawn to women who feel like a safe space, someone who is kind, understanding, and open-hearted. By showing him that you're confident and secure in yourself, you'll make him realize just how much he needs you in his life. And there you have it, 7 powerful strategies to make a man think about you all the time. By implementing these tips, you'll not only create a deeper connection with him, but you'll also build a stronger, more fulfilling relationship. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.